Meet John. After completing Cybersecurity Policy and Governance for business success, he transformed his organization's security framework, aligning policies with business goals and driving measurable results. Hello, I'm Advocate Dr. Paweł Mielniczek, and I'm excited to guide you through Cybersecurity Policy and Governance for business success. Developed in collaboration with Starweaver, this course is designed to equip you with essential skills like translating compliance into business value and building a culture of accountability directly applicable to your role in cybersecurity and governance. Through our interactive platform, you won't just learn, you will actively engage with a global community of professionals, share insights, collaborate, and enhance your understanding and application of cybersecurity policy and governance. Ready to transform your leadership? Join Cybersecurity Policy and Governance for business success today and start implementing real-world solutions to your organization. Enroll now and begin your journey towards strategic cybersecurity governance.